Now, most of us want the same thing when nighttime arrives. We want to fall asleep easily, stay asleep throughout the night, wake up feeling refreshed, and have enough energy to enjoy the following day, right? Well, today I want to tell you about something very simple that you may already have sitting in your kitchen, and that is nutmeg. Let me first explain why this familiar spice has attracted so much attention. Nutmeg contains natural compounds that may support relaxation and overall wellness. Traditionally, it has also been used to support digestion and help with occasional digestive discomfort. But one of the most interesting reasons people use nutmeg is its potential calming effect. Nutmeg contains plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help support your body's natural response to inflammation and contribute to overall health. Nutmeg has also traditionally been used to support digestion. Some people include small amounts of this spice in their diet to help with digestive comfort. And there's more. Nutmeg contains minerals such as manganese, copper, and small amounts of calcium and potassium. These nutrients are involved in many important functions throughout the body, including normal nerve and muscle function. But when it comes to nighttime, we're especially interested in its potential relaxing properties. Nutmeg has traditionally been used as a calming spice, and adding a small culinary amount to a warm drink can become part of a relaxing bedtime routine. So, let me show you just how easy it is to prepare. You're going to need 1 cup of warm milk. If you don't consume dairy, you can use almond milk, soy milk, or another milk alternative that you enjoy. Then you'll need about 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. You can also add a small pinch of cinnamon if you enjoy the flavor. And if you want a little natural sweetness, you can add a small amount of honey. Start by placing your milk in a small saucepan and gently heating it on the stove. You want it hot and steaming, but there's no need to aggressively boil it. Once the milk is heated, add your ground nutmeg and stir everything together for a couple of minutes. Then pour the warm mixture into a mug. If you'd like, sprinkle in a little cinnamon for extra flavor. And if you're adding honey, allow the drink to cool slightly before mixing it in. Now, there's something interesting about milk that you should know. Milk naturally contains tryptophan, an amino acid that the body uses in pathways involved in producing serotonin and melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that plays an important role in regulating your sleep-wake cycle. So when you combine a warm, comforting drink with a relaxing bedtime environment, it may help you create a peaceful routine before going to sleep. Turn down the lights, put your phone away, take a few slow breaths, and give your mind some time to wind down. And remember, you don't need a large amount of nutmeg. In fact, more is not better. Stick to a small amount normally used in cooking, because consuming excessive amounts of nutmeg can be harmful. This warm nutmeg milk has a delicious, comforting aroma, and for many people, the simple ritual itself can be a relaxing way to end the day. It isn't a guaranteed treatment for insomnia, but it can be one small part of a healthy nighttime routine. So tonight, if you're looking for something warm and comforting before bed, you might consider giving this simple drink a try. And if you found this information useful, please share this video with your friends and family. Leave a comment below and let me know, what do you usually drink before going to bed? And most importantly, take care of yourself, get plenty of rest, and make it a great day.